Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're delighted to have you here. In this video, we'll be showcasing the iconic CASIO Collection F-91W and taking you on a journey through its remarkable features. Get ready to dive into the world of this legendary timepiece. First, we'll unveil the excitement of unboxing this CASIO collection. Watch as we carefully open the product box, revealing the classic and timeless watch nestled inside. We'll show you each step of the unboxing process, giving you a first-hand look at what's inside. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's delve into the details of this CASIO collection. This men's watch is a true icon known for its simplicity, reliability, and functionality. It is reported that around 3 million units of this model continue to be sold per year, making it the best-selling digital watch in history. An emblematic model with a simple design but worn by many famous personalities. Its polymer body ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight feel on your wrist. The gray rectangular case exudes a sleek and modern aesthetic. With a black polymer strap, this CASIO collection offers both comfort and style. It's a versatile timepiece that can be worn for various occasions, whether you're going for a casual look or dressing up for a special event. Featuring a water resistance rating of 3 atm, this watch can withstand splashes and brief immersion in water. While it's not suitable for swimming or diving, it offers peace of mind during everyday activities. The digital display of this CASIO collection is bright and easy to read, with black numbers providing clear visibility at a glance. Whether you prefer the 12-hour or 24-hour format, this watch has you covered. One of the standout features of this watch is its practicality. It comes equipped with automatic calendar functionality, so you'll never have to worry about manually adjusting the date. The built-in alarm function helps you stay on schedule and manage your daily activities with ease. Additionally, the screen backlight ensures readability in low-light conditions, making it convenient for nighttime use or in dimly lit environments. In summary, this CASIO collection is a best-selling model renowned for its simplicity, reliability, and affordability. Worn by celebrities and loved by watch enthusiasts worldwide, it's a timepiece that stands the test of time. From its durable polymer body and gray rectangular case to its black polymer strap and versatile features, this watch combines practicality with style. Now, let's take a moment to show you what this CASIO collection looks like on the wrist. Incredibly light, weighing only 21 grams, this watch is comfortable to wear for extended periods. You'll barely feel it on your wrist, making it perfect for constant wear. Thank you for joining us in this video as we explored this CASIO collection. We hope you found this overview informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content and would like to see more watch-related videos and updates, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Remember, this CASIO collection is more than just a watch, it's a symbol of reliability and timeless style. Get yours today and elevate your everyday look. Don't miss out on our future videos and updates. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more exciting content. We are waiting for you again. Thank you for watching.